Now unboxing the materials. You can get these materials from our website shopify.gktohub.com. You can see the items you're going to be using for today's project. The breadboard for connection of the LED and wires on the component. The LED, we are using red in particular here, so it has two terminals as you can see there. So we need the male to male jumper wires to connect the breadboard to the Arduino. So we are going to be using the Arduino Uno, as you can see on the screen. So this is the Arduino Uno. So also we need the Arduino USB cable to connect the Arduino to the computer for programming. Now we have all the materials set up and ready for connection. Arduino, jumper wire, the LED, the breadboard, the USB cable. Now let's start. So now we need to insert the LED into the breadboard, as you can see on the screen. So you can put it on any of the holes, but they can be spaced apart. But before we go into that, let us look at the LED itself. The LED has two terminals. Now two terminals, there are long one, which is that one, and the short one, which is the other side. So the long one is the anode, the short one is the cathode. So we are connecting the long one to pin 13 on the Arduino board. If you can look at it carefully, you see pin 13 there. So the long one goes there, then the short one goes to the GND down there, 13 and GND. So let's put back the LED on the breadboard so you can make them spaced apart, as you can see. So that's how beautiful it is, as you can see there. So we have that side inside the LED. You see the positive and negative side. The smaller part is the positive, the bigger one inside is the negative. So I'm going to connect my red wire to the positive side on the same line. That's the operation of the breadboard. In our other video we've talked about how the breadboard works. So put the wires on the same column for each pin like that. So it's not by the side, it has to be on the same column. So just as I mentioned earlier, we are connecting the positive side, the anode, to pin 13, which is the red wire. So you can count it and start it in the right position, and the black or the gray goes to the GND, which is the negative for the LED. So the 13 is where we're going to be programming to control the LED, and the gray of course is the negative. You can see the pin 13 there. So that is where the positive side of the LED is being connected. Let's go. Now let's insert the USB cable to the Arduino ports. So you connect the USB cable to your laptop for programming. You can see it's blinking already, so you already have the code. But let's look how it has been done. Now, so we are on M block now to do the programming to make the LED blinks, just as you can see on the screen now. So the first thing you need to do is you come to the device here. We are using the Arduino Uno, so you add the Arduino device. So you come down, say add. There you can look for, search for Arduino Uno. So if you can't find it here, you go to device library, then you have to search for it. So at first, if you are downloading the Arduino Uno, you need internet connection, so you can search for Arduino Uno, but I have it installed already. If I search for it here, you see, so you see various Arduino Uno, so you can download, and these are other boards you can download. We are working with this. So let's go back to install them. Okay, so it's going to load. So Arduino has been added here now, so you can do the pins just like the way we did on our Tinker card when we are doing the code. So we are going to do the same code on our M block to make it work. Are we ready? Let's go. So now I go to control. But for this now, since we are programming a real Arduino, not a virtual Arduino, so you first come to event, then when Arduino starts up, then you come to control, you bring in forever, then you come to pin, then set digital pin I, almost likely the same with Tinkercad. So the pin we use is pin 13. So set digital pin I means turn on pin 13, turn pin 13 I on. That's what I meant. So turn 13 on, or you can say set digital pin 13I. So I want the light on for a particular moment, so I'll put a wait. So if you want it to wait longer, you can change number, but I'm going to prefer 1 second. Then I'm going to do a low. So add this again, change this to low and pin to 13, then put another wait there, as you can see here. So with this now, we are done with our code. So the next thing is we want to upload our code to the device. So click on connect here. So for you to do this, you must have something called mlink installed alongside with this mblock. So now I can see my COM here that is shown here. So if I click on connect, so now it's connected. So it's connected. So make sure you have the right connection. So then you click on upload. So it's going to start uploading. All right, so now we have it here, but can see now it's II, the light is just turning on, it's not off, so we have to change this to low, then we upload again. So you can see we have it blinking, and so that's how it works. So you can disconnect, you can off your mblock, you can close your mblock, it's gonna work. So you want to save your work, so you can save it here, LED blinking, then you save. So it's gonna save using this save command. It's gonna save it on your mblock, so you have to log in. What it means that if I want to open my mblock, I want to see my project there, but if you don't want to log in, you can also click on save to your computer, as you can see here. So it's going to open up a place in your computer where you can save. You can have a folder called mblock, and you open it, then you save. So that's all for this lesson.